Hi there, this is Rob. Welcome to the 2-Minute Overnight Overview, which is an idea I somewhat stole from my friend Dave at DaveLandry.com, who does his market in a minute each day. First, let's look at last night's odds sheet. I focus on ES since that's where I do my trading. Price action in ES on Friday suggested a sizable short side edge, with only 33% chance of a gap up on Monday and a 0.6 profit factor for long trades. Unfortunately, this was not confirmed by internals or seasonality. Therefore, when looking at the averages, which are the primary numbers I use for my decision making, ES barely qualified as a short setup. It was not confirmed by any of the other futures or ETFs. It was also not confirmed by the weighted average, so to take this as a short play would have been an aggressive move. Since seasonality was weak, if an aggressive trader did take it, perhaps with a smaller position, the standard overnight edges play would be used a more conservative target amount, in this case 2.79 points. You can round that in either direction. So let's jump to TradeStation and see how it played out. ES settled at 1402.5, so 1399.5 is the area where the standard target would be placed. That would have been accomplished shortly after 8 o'clock Sunday night. Lots of wiggling during the night and a morning rally, and then a dive into the open would have left the price very close to there at this morning's open. So for those that don't use the standard target, or that trade SPY instead of the futures, their exit would have been nearly the same, with a 2.75 point gain. Some days I'll have time to look at a quick edge to think about for today as well. As you can see, ES has risen 6 days in a row and is trying to get to number 7. I looked back at all other times since 1994 where ES closed up 7 days in a row and finished at a 50-day high. As you can see, it was followed 3 times by a gap up and 9 by a gap down. Performance numbers everywhere here are based on 10 contracts per trade. Here's the list of trades. There's just one other big thing I really want to point out before I run out of time here. So I should just tell you that